Hello, and welcome to Shane's Microscope. I'm Shane, and this is my microscope. Let's take a peek. In today's bonus video, I wanted to make a little bit of pixel art. I really enjoy this shot of this Opercularia here, so I decided to take a frame of that and give it a draw. So I think now that photographic equipment is so cheap and easy to use that it's easy to forget the importance of art in science. But the thing to remember is that while a photograph definitely captures reality in the most objective way possible, it doesn't always do the best job of demonstrating what's important to somebody who doesn't already know exactly what they're looking for. So when you have something that's intentionally created a piece of artwork, then you can use it to emphasize the aspects of whatever you're showing in order to really highlight the most important things. So that makes science art extremely useful for educational purposes. And here I really want to show off the vestibulum, the macronucleus, food vacuoles, and the contractile vacuole. And the cilia, of course, up on that operculum. I think that looks pretty good. But I thought, why not animate it? So I made 12 frames. And you can find tools to animate those, but I decided I'd just do it myself. It'd be a quick, easy script in Python. So for gathering the input directory, I'll import the sys library. And I'll say if we don't pass anything into the script, then we want to ask the user for a directory. And if that directory has a space in it, then it'll get quotes around it, and we don't actually need that, so I want to strip out the quotes when I add that to the arguments. And then we'll simply return that first argument. We could return all of them, but I only plan on making one GIF at a time, so I'll just use the first one. So then in order to get the file names, we need to import the OS library. I'll be putting those file names into a list, and I'll just use the os.walk method. And I need to join the top directory with the file names, so that way we actually get a full path for each of those. And then I'll just return that list. So then I just need to get my input directory, and then get the file names from that input directory. And then I'm going to need to import the Python imaging library. This is the only third-party dependency we'll need here. And I'll just get a list of images that are derived from that file name list. And then I can just save the first one. So I'll just go pretty generic with the name here. And then I use the mnemonic LADS for when I'm doing a GIF output. Loop 0 means loop an infinite number of times. And then we have to give it the rest of the images in the list. Set how many milliseconds we want each one to show up, and then tell it to save them all. And we're done, that's it. And then at the end of that, we've got this delightful fellow. I also decided to do a little pixel art of myself with a Opercularia attached to me. Why not? Alright, well, I think we'll leave it there for the day. Thanks for having a look with me. Until next time, keep on peeking.